You've probably seen the viral videos where planes appear to be frozen in the sky, hovering in place rather than flying forward as they usually do. While people are quick to call this situation a glitch in the matrix, there's a fairly simple explanation. It's an optical illusion due to the parallax effect. In other words, the planes aren't actually stuck in midair. Our eyes and brains are tricking us because we, as the viewers, are moving at a different speed or a different direction than the plane. As such, we perceive the plane as being frozen, even though it's still moving forward. Here's how the parallax effect works. Parallax is the difference that we see in the position of nearby objects relative to background objects because of a changing viewpoint. So, when an observer moves, the position of an object in front of them appears to change, even if that object is static. In fact, you can experience parallax right now. Start by holding out your arm out straight, directly in front of you, and putting a finger in the air. Look at the finger with both eyes open, then switch between looking at the finger with just your right eye and just your left eye. You'll notice that your finger appears to be moving back and forth. That's because your eyes are in a different position on your face, so each eye sees your finger from a slightly different perspective. Our brain automatically interprets the discrepancy, or parallax, as steps. Without the difference in the images between your left and right eye, which is parallax, you cannot have any depth perception. Motion parallax happens when you're looking out a window of a moving car. Objects closer to you appear to whiz by, while objects farther away still appear to be still or very slow moving. And that's directly related to what's happening in the videos of frozen planes. There's one common thread between each video of a plane hovering in the air. The person recording the video is always in a moving vehicle, whether that's another aircraft or a car, and this is the key to the optical illusion. This can be seen in videos taken from planes flying parallel to one another. This happens frequently when landing at certain airports with parallel runways, such as the San Francisco International Airport. Not all planes land at the same exact speed, so it's easy for one to move ahead of its neighbor. And from the perspective of a faster plane, it may look like the slower one is frozen in place. It's like when you pass someone on the freeway and they look like they are moving backwards, when in fact they are moving forward. In some of these videos, notably the ones taken from cars, there aren't any objects in the background. Instead, there's nothing but blue sky behind the planes. In that scenario, your brain lacks reference points for accurate depth perception, and it can easily be tricked into perceiving the plane models as motionless. In either case, the optical illusion will disappear if the viewer simply stops moving. Then you'll see the plane moving forward normally.